Rwanda use of drones in key sectors. Current trends and future prospects. By Marcin Frakovich. Rwanda use of drones in key sectors. Current trends and future prospects. Examining Rwanda pioneering use of drones for agricultural practices. Rwanda is pioneering the use of drones for agricultural practices, becoming the first nation in Africa to make use of the technology. The country's Ministry of Agriculture and Animal Resources has partnered with technology-focused nonprofit Zipline to launch a nationwide drone delivery service of agricultural materials. The program is now delivering critical crop inputs, such as fertilizers and seeds, to farmers in remote parts of the country where traditional delivery methods are difficult or impossible. The drones, which are autonomous and controlled remotely, can deliver up to 1.5 kilograms of product within 30 minutes of being launched. This provides the farmers with access to the resources they need quickly and efficiently, helping to increase their crop yields and improve their incomes. The drones are also helping to reduce the amount of time farmers spend traveling to and from distant suppliers, and are significantly reducing the costs associated with agricultural input delivery. The Rwandan government is also exploring other uses for the drones, including remote sensing, crop monitoring and pest management. This pioneering use of drones to support agricultural practices is providing Rwandan farmers with access to much-needed resources and creating a more efficient and cost-effective agricultural system. It is hoped that the success of the program in Rwanda will inspire other African countries to explore the use of drones for similar purposes. Exploring how drones are improving the delivery of healthcare in Rwanda. In Rwanda, drones are revolutionizing how healthcare is delivered. With the help of cutting-edge technology, drones are providing quick and reliable access to medical supplies, improving the efficiency and effectiveness of healthcare services for millions of people. The Rwanda government has partnered with Zipline, a California-based robotics company, to deliver critical medical supplies via drones. The drones, equipped with GPS and powered by electric motors, are able to deliver blood, plasma, and other essential medical supplies to health centers and hospitals in the country. This technology has allowed the government to quickly and efficiently transport medical supplies to remote rural areas, ensuring that those in need have access to the resources they need. The drones are able to fly up to 160 kilometers per hour and can deliver medical supplies within 15 to 30 minutes. This is significantly faster than traditional delivery methods, and it allows health centers to get the supplies they need much more quickly. The drones are also able to fly in bad weather and during the night, which can be particularly beneficial in times of emergency. In addition to providing quick and reliable delivery of medical supplies, the drones are also helping to reduce the cost of healthcare in Rwanda. By reducing the need for vehicles and personnel to deliver supplies, the system has helped to reduce the cost of healthcare services for the government. The Rwanda government is currently using the drone delivery system in more than 100 health centers across the country, and plans to expand the system to more locations in the future. This technology has already had a positive impact on the delivery of healthcare in Rwanda, and it is clear that this is just the beginning of the revolution. Assessing the impact of drones on the delivery of education in Rwanda. The use of drones in the delivery of education in Rwanda is having a significant impact on the nation's educational system. With their ability to quickly and reliably transport educational materials, drones are helping to bridge the gap between rural and urban areas and ensuring that students in even the most remote parts of the country have access to quality educational resources. In recent years, the Rwandan government has invested heavily in the development of drone technology and its use in the delivery of education. Through the Rwandan Drone Delivery Initiative, educational materials such as textbooks, stationery, and exam papers are being delivered to schools in remote parts of the country via drones. This has led to a dramatic increase in the availability of educational resources in rural areas, allowing students to receive a better education than ever before. Moreover, the use of drones has also enabled the Rwandan government to track and monitor student performance in real time, allowing them to identify and address any educational issues quickly and efficiently. By making these data available to local government officials, teachers, and students, the use of drones is helping to improve the standard of education in Rwanda. In addition, drones are being used to deliver medical supplies and other essential services to remote areas of Rwanda. This is helping to ensure that even the most isolated communities have access to the healthcare they need. Overall, The use of drones in the delivery of education in Rwanda is having a positive impact on the nation's educational system. By providing students with access to quality educational resources and helping to bridge the gap between rural and urban areas, drones are ensuring that all students have an equal opportunity for success. Analyzing the role of drones in Rwanda conservation efforts. The use of drones is becoming increasingly popular in Rwanda as a tool for conservation efforts. In recent years, the Rwandan government has launched several initiatives to protect and restore the country's natural environment and wildlife. Drones have become an important part of this effort, providing an efficient, safe, and cost-effective way to monitor wildlife and enforce conservation efforts. One of the most notable successes for drones in Rwanda is the monitoring of mountain gorillas in the Volcanoes National Park. Drones are used to track the location and behavior of the gorillas, providing researchers with invaluable information about the species' population, health, and habitat. This data has enabled scientists to better understand and protect the gorilla's habitat, allowing them to remain one of the country's most iconic species. Drones are also used to monitor and protect other species, including elephants and rhinos. In addition to providing data on the health and population of these animals, drones also help to deter poachers, as they can provide real-time surveillance of protected areas. This has enabled the government to more effectively protect these species and their habitats. The use of drones has been an invaluable tool in Rwanda conservation efforts. Not only have they provided researchers with key data on wildlife and their habitats, but they have also enabled the government to better protect and monitor these areas. The success of drones in Rwanda conservation efforts is a testament to their effectiveness, and it is likely that they will continue to play an important role in the country's conservation efforts in the future. Investigating the benefits of using drones for infrastructure development in Rwanda. The Rwandan government is exploring the potential of using drones to assist in infrastructure development. Recent advancements in drone technology have made it possible for the government to use unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, for a range of activities, from surveying and mapping to construction and infrastructure development. The government is already using drones for aerial mapping and surveying to help with planning for urban development and infrastructure projects. Drones are being used to take aerial photographs and videos to create 3D models of roads, bridges, and other infrastructure projects. The Rwandan government believes that the use of drones can provide numerous benefits for infrastructure development. Drones can be used to monitor construction progress, identify potential problems, and detect any potential safety hazards. They can also be used to inspect existing infrastructure to ensure that it is operating correctly and to identify any potential maintenance or repair needs. In addition, the government believes that drones can help reduce the cost of infrastructure development. By using drones, the government can reduce the need for manual labor, as well as the time and cost associated with surveying and mapping. This could result in significant savings for the government, and help them to complete projects more quickly and efficiently. The government is also considering the potential of using drones for other applications, such as delivering goods and services, monitoring air quality, and providing security. The Rwandan government is currently working with various stakeholders to investigate the potential of using drones for infrastructure development. The government is hopeful that the use of drones can provide numerous benefits for the country and help to improve the quality of life for its citizens.